All right. What is up, YouTube? So we are finally back. Sorry about that, but we're finally back. Just I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I did record the SBD video, but I'm not gonna post it. It didn't turn out right. I'm still trying to figure out this whole YouTube thing. So when it comes down to recording and like the editing aspect of things, it just didn't work out for that. So I apologize. I'll try to figure it out and get that done again at a later point. But we got back. We got back today. One of my friends requested I should do a back video, and it's back day, so we're gonna record it and we're just gonna go based off on that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Full disclosure though, this is not my first back workout. Ever since I got back to the gym, it would be my second. I already did the first one, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not as strong as I thought, but if y'all want to see it, I did post it on my Instagram, and it's just I'm just Will underscore it's I'm just underscore Will, or you'll find it on my banner on my YouTube channel. But yeah, that's pretty much what we got today, and I'll see you guys in there. All right, peace. Actually, now that I have you guys on here, we should probably think of a better phrase than saying peace all the time. Like I actually do hate saying it, but I don't know what else to say in like transition. So how about I just do this? All right, guys. So we're finally back. I genuinely just kind of like do just some bands just to kind of get just to stretch. But I always warm up with pull-ups, so that's what we're gonna be doing right now, and see how much we can do, and then go from there. Beside me, tell me it's you, I know it's you. What do I say? Where do I go? How do I know you feel the same? Quiet alone, letting go, nobody know you to me. What type of song do y'all listen to when y'all are working out? Because for me, it really just depends. Like if I'm having a great day, I either go Disney, I go Victorious, something uplifting, like either brings back childhood memories or something I can crank or vibe to. I don't need anything that's gonna be like hardcore. Only time I listen to those is if I'm not motivated and I need to lock in. But for the most part, like Lion King like today and stuff like that. But we gotta keep it going. All right, so I hate hate recording, especially right now, because like I said, this is not my regular size. Like I'm generally around like 210, 215 pounds, and currently I'm in the 180s. So I'm not really happy about the weight, and I feel insecure like recording and posting about this. But sometimes it's about the journey. So like I said, I'm planning on doing another show, and it's the journey of living from 180 to putting my size back on, to gaining more size, to getting ready for a show, and then kind of like push forward after that. You kind of got to do what you got to do. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So spent right now. My arms are fucking shaking, and they're still sore from like last arm day that I had like 2 days to 3 days ago. So I'm just trying to push at this point. But I still got one more, and now I'll see if I have time to kind of like pose, because it's about time I start. Like I'm maybe like 30-45 minutes before I head back to work. So we'll see what we can do. Alright, so I got the first set done, and yeah, I am in love with this machine. From now on, I think once every like 3 weeks I'll be doing it, because again, you can't do the same exercise every single time you're training. So once every 3 weeks I'll be doing it, but I got 2 more to 3 more sets I gotta go for. So I'm just gonna kind of like speed this up and I guess play some soundtrack behind it. But here we go. Ugh. Alright guys, the workout is finally done. I've just been posing for like the past 20 minutes, but just to show you all a little bit of what I look like with a pump. I don't have that much muscle on, especially like I was saying, my back is probably one of my most undeveloped place, so I kind of have to build that up. But that's pretty much what I got. Please like, subscribe, and comment, share, and be ready for the next one. All right, peace. again with the goddamn piece.